ICSC Mathematics Class 10th Chapter 11 Exercise Self-Evaluation and Revision. Question number 21. The line through 5, 3 intersect x-axis at Q. In the figure, write the slope of the line. Second, write the equation of the line. Find the coordinate of point Q. There is a line which cuts the x-axis and the point P is given, that is 5 and 3. We have to tell the slope of the line PQ. This is the slope of the line. Slope of line PQ, that is 30 upon minus 5 minus x. That will be equal to tangent 45, that is equal to 1. देखिए 3 minus 0, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here x is unknown, so 5 minus x. 5 minus x is equal to tangent 45. Tangent 45 is equal to 1. Now cross multiply it. 5 minus x is equal to 3. Therefore the x is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now I have written here 2, 0, because the 0 will be the ordinate, because Q lies on the x-axis. Therefore the ordinate is 0 and we have determined the value of x, that is 2. Now the equation of PQ, that is y minus 3. You see, we have got the 2 points, that is 5, 3 and 2, 0. So 5 minus 3 will be equal to 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 means y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus 5. X minus 5. Solve it. Y minus 3 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3. Both will be cancelled. X minus 5. Hence, y minus 3 is equal to x minus 5. Second part, the equation we have to derive. So x minus y and 5 minus 3, that will be equal to minus 2. Minus 5 plus 3, that is equal to 2. Sorry. So x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This will be the equation of the line PQ. Third point, that is the coordinate of the point Q. That is 2, 0. We have already determined it. So the coordinate is 2, 0. Now proceed to the question number 22. A part AB is the diameter of a circle with the center C, that is minus 2, 5, and if 3 minus 7, A is equal to 3 minus 7, find the coordinate of B. Means AB is a diameter. You see, the AB is diameter. The center C is given the coordinates. Coordinates of center is minus 2, 5, and coordinate of A is 3 minus 7. We have to determine the coordinate of B, that is xy, let it be xy. So x plus 3 divided by 2, that will be equal to midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem से हम निकालेंगे इसको. So that will be equal to minus 2. So x plus 3 is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 7. Now for ordinate, y minus 7 upon 2 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 10 plus 7, that is 17. So coordinate of B will be minus 7, 17, and this is the answer of A part, question number 22. Now the B part, coordinates of D. Coordinates of D. In the second case, B is stated here in triangle ABC, A by 3, A, that is 3, 5, B 7, 8, C 1 minus 10. Find the equation of the median A. We have to find the equation of the median A. You see, the coordinates of A, B, C are given. We have to find the coordinate of D first of all. You see, the D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, 7 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 4. 8 minus 10 divided by 2, that will be equal to minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1. So the coordinates is 4 minus 1. Now the equation of median AD is y minus 5 upon, equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 whole upon 4 minus 3 into x minus x1, that is x minus 3. Solve it. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 6 upon 1 x minus 3. This gives you minus 6x minus y plus 23 equal to 0. So 6x plus y minus 23 equal to 0 will be the required answer of question number 22. Now proceed to the question number 23. In the figure given below, the line segment AB meets the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. The point P, that is minus 3, 4, on AB divides it in the ratio of 2:3. Find the coordinates of A and B. देखिए एक लाइन AB है जो कि AB को 2:3 में डिवाइड करता है. पॉइंट P है, देयर इज वो पॉइंट P whose coordinates are given, that is minus 3, 4. It is in the second quadrant. So I have drawn only in the second quadrant form. This is the minus 3. This is minus 3. Minus 3, 3 into 0 plus 2 into y. 3 into 0 plus 2 into y. This is 3 into x. First of all, we find out the value of x. Minus 3, that is minus 3 हमने एब्सिसा लिया पॉइंट P का एब्सिसा लिया minus 3. So 3 into x plus 2 into 0 upon 2 plus 3, that is x is equal to minus 15 by 3, that is minus 5. x की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे -5. हमने यहाँ पर देखिए लिख दिया है -5. y की वैल्यू के लिए we know the ordinate of the point P, that is 4. So 3 into 0 plus 2 into y. 3 into 0, because this is our x-axis, so the ordinate will be 0. Here abscissa will be 0. So 4 is equal to 3 into 0 plus 2 into y, that is upon 2 plus 3, that is y is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So the coordinate of A is minus 5, 0, and coordinate of B is 0, 10. 0, 10. ये B का हमें कोऑर्डिनेट मालूम हो गया. Now proceed to question number 24. Calculate the ratio in which the line joining the A and B, A is -4, 2 and B is 3, 6, is divided by the point P, x3. Also find first the value of x and second the length of AP. Now see to 24a, there is a point A and B. Coordinate of P is x, comma 3 is given here. So we have to find first of all, you see we have to determine the ratio first. So you see the ordinate is given. पॉइंट P का जो है ऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ है, that is 3. So let us take that k:1 is the ratio, means Kp by Pb will be 1. Kp by Pb will be equal to k by 1. So this ordinate 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2 will plus k into 6. k into 6 हमने ऑर्डिनेट वाले को लिया है, क्योंकि ऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ पॉइंट P का ऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ है, इसलिए हमने ऑर्डिनेट के पॉइंट को लिया है. सो 1 into 2 k into 6 अपॉन k plus 1 इक्वल टू 3. 3 यहाँ से ये वाला. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया इसको, 3k plus 3 इक्वल टू 2 plus 6k. सो 3k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1 by 3. So now we have got the ratio k is equal to 1 by 3, means 1:3, means 1 part इधर 3 part इधर. Now the first part, you see, we have to determine the value of x now. The x will be equal to 3 into -4, 3 into -4, 1 into 3, whole divided by 1 plus 3. That is 4x is equal to -12 plus 3. That is x is equal to -9/4. तो x की वैल्यू हमारे को मालूम हो गया, इसका कोऑर्डिनेट -9/4 and 3. सॉरी P का को जो है जो डिवाइड करता है उसका कोऑर्डिनेट हमें मालूम हो गया -9/4 and 3. नाउ वी हैव टू डिटरमिन द लेंथ ऑफ AP. A का कोऑर्डिनेट -4, 2. P का कोऑर्डिनेट है -9/4, 3. सो एक मिनट, -9/4 -4 bracket closed whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to root of inside the roots, that is -9 plus 16/4 whole square plus 1 square. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Here 4 4 is 16. So this will be plus 9 minus plus 16, 9 plus 16, माइनस के 9 plus 16/4. इसको सॉल्व किया, 49 आया. 49 plus 16 upon 16, that will be the 65 upon 16, that will be root of 65/4. So the length of AP is root 65 divided by 4. And it will be the answer of question number 24A, second part. Now the 24B part. These points are A, B, C are the points which are collinear. It is already given that these points are collinear. So the coordinate of A is A, 3, B का 2, 1, C का 5, A. So slope of AB, slope of AB, slope of BC and slope of CA, all these slopes will be equal because they are collinear points, means they lie on a straight line. So the slope of a line will always remain same. So the slope between AB, BC and CA, in all cases it should be equal. The slope of AB is 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus A. Slope of BC will be equal to A minus 1 upon 5 minus 2. Slope of CA, that is 3 minus A upon A minus 5, means y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here इसको हमने सॉल्व किया -2 upon 2 minus A, इसको सॉल्व कर दिया A minus 1 upon 3. अब देखिए मैंने लिखा है इसको -2 minus A minus 1 upon 3, हमने दो को इक्वेट किया है क्यों. अभी देखिए इसको मैंने क्या किया है, इसका माइनस हम नीचे वाले में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है. सो 2 अपॉन A minus 2 हो जाएगा और A minus 1 upon 3 हो जाएगा. इसका -2 था ऊपर, हमने क्या किया माइनस से नीचे ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सो इट विल बिकम प्लस और नीचे आ जाएगा हमारे को A minus 2. सो A minus 2 इंटू A minus 1, दैट विल बी द A स्क्वायर माइनस 3A प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 6. फर्दर सॉल्व किया A स्क्वायर माइनस 3A माइनस 4 इक्वल टू 0. सो A स्क्वायर हमने फैक्टराइज कर दिया, इसको 3 को ऐसे तोड़ा कि मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 4 आ जाए. देखिए A स्क्वायर माइनस इन ब्रैकेट 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 को सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 3 आएगा. अब 4 में -1 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -4 आएगा. सो A स्क्वायर माइनस 4A प्लस A minus 4. Take out A common from first two terms, that is A inside the bracket it will be A minus 4 bracket close plus A minus 4. Now take out A minus 4 common, we are getting now A minus 4 and A plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore A is equal to 4 or A is equal to -1. So the equation of AB when A is equal to 4, let us proceed. So y minus 3 will be equal to 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus 4. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. x minus x1 here, x minus 4 कर दिया हमने और यहाँ पर a के जगह पर क्या लिया है हमने 4 लिया है. So y minus 3 is equal to -2 upon -2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. x minus 4, that will be the x minus y minus 1 is one of the equation. X minus y minus 1 is one of the equation of AB. Now when we take the value of A is equal to -1 at that time, the equation of AB is equal to y minus 3 equal to 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus in bracket -1 x minus -1. So it will become y minus 3 equal to -2 upon 3 x plus 1. So it will become 3y minus 9 equal to -2x minus 2. So 2x plus 3y minus 7 is the required equation when A is equal to -1. Now proceed to the question number 25. Three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in orders are A 3 6, B 5 10, C 3 2. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertex D. So second part, that is the length of the diagonal BD and the equation of the side AB of the parallelogram ABCD. Here यहाँ पर देखिए आप ABCD एक पैरेललोग्राम है. A का कोऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ है 3 6, B का कोऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ 5 10, C का कोऑर्डिनेट है 3 2 और D अननोन है, उसको हमने XY मान लिया है. चलिए ए और सी का हम वी नो दैट द डायगोनल ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. So what will be the midpoint of AC? That will be the midpoint of BD also, because they bisect each other. So the midpoint of these two the diagonal coincide each other. Hence, first of all, we determine the value of bisecting point, that is O. So 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 3. 6 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 4. So here you see the coordinate of O is 3 plus 3 divided by 2, 6 plus 2 divided by 2. This will give you 3 and 4. So now BD, in case of BD, 5 plus x divided by 2 should be equal to 4. Sorry, 5 plus x divided by 2 should be equal to 3. So x is equal to 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. So value of x will come 1. Now y plus 10 divided by midpoint theorem. So y plus 10 upon 2, that is 4. 4 यहाँ से लिया हमने. So y is equal to 8 minus 10, that is equal to minus 2. So the coordinate of D will be 1 minus 2. This will be the answer. Now the BD, what is the length of the BD? Distance formula will apply, because we know the coordinate of now D, that is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 अभी निकाला हमने. So BD is equal to 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 10 माइनस माइनस 2 का होल स्क्वायर का टोटल स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे. सो इट विल बिकम 16 प्लस 144, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 160, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 4 रूट 10. 4 रूट 10 को सॉल्व करेंगे तो 12.65 आएगा. नाउ द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए बी विच इज पासिंग थ्रू 3, 6 and 5, 10. So y minus 6 is equal to 10 minus 6 upon 5 minus 3 in bracket x minus 3. This gives you the y minus 6 is equal to 2. देखिए इसको सॉल्व कीजिए. 10 minus 6 that is 4, 5 minus 3 that is 2. उसको डिवाइड किया 4 को 2 से, तो हमें क्या मिला 2. So 2 in bracket x minus 3. इसको फर्दर सॉल्व किया तो 2x minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x will be the equation of the side AB of the parallelogram. Now question number 26. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle and BC is parallel to y-axis, and AB and AC intersect the y-axis at P and Q respectively. Now you see the coordinate. First of all, you see the ABC is a triangle where BC is parallel to y-axis. BC is parallel to y-axis and it is on the left side of y-axis, and A is on x-axis. So the coordinate of A is 4, 0. Coordinate of B is given, that is minus 2 and 3. C का coordinate दिया हुआ minus 2, minus 4. So coordinate of A, that is 4, 0. AB will be, what will be the length of AB? AB का लेंथ क्या होगा? 4 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. That will be, this will be equal to total root of 45, and it will be 9 5 the 45. So 9 का स्क्वायर रूट 3 होता है. 3 root 5, 3 into root 5 का होता है 2.24. So 6.72. the length of AB will be equal to 6.72. This will be the answer. और कोऑर्डिनेट ए का हमने जो निकाला है वो है आंसर इसका ये AC आ जाइए। AC का लेंथ कैसे निकालेंगे देखिए, AC that is 4 minus minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus 4 whole square, again it will be equal to root of 52, that is equal to 2 root 13। 13 4 जा 52 होता है, 4 का स्क्वायर रूट हमने लेकर के 2 बाहर कर दिया, सो 2 इंटू 3.61, that will be equal to 7.22. This will be the answer of for the length of AC. Let Q divides, let the Q divides AC in the ratio of K is to 1, means K is this side, 1 is this side. Therefore 1 into 4 plus K into minus 2 upon K plus 1 should be equal to 0. So further solve किया हमने, 2K is equal to 4, so therefore K is equal to 2 by 1, so 2 is to 1 will be the ratio. Now AC इक्वेशन का देखिए, AC का y minus 0, y minus AC का इक्वेशन देखिए, y minus 0 means y minus y1, y minus y1, that is y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1। y2 क्या है आपका -4 minus 0 upon -2 -4 into x minus 4, so it will be equal to y is equal to 2 by 3 x minus 4। फर्दर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए इसको, ब्रैकेट खोल करके 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, और 2x minus 3y is equal to 8। This will be the required equation of question number 26। Now come to the question number 27। The slope of a line joining the P 6K and Q, that is 1 minus 3K comma 3 is 1 by 2. Find the first K and midpoint of PQ using the value of K found in 1. Now you see here first, देखिए P का कोऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ 6K, Q का दिया हुआ है 1 minus 3K comma 3। स्लोप मीन्स y2 minus y1, y2 क्या है यहाँ पर 3 minus K डिवाइडेड बाई x2 minus x1, यहाँ पर है 1 minus 3K minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2, it is given. So after solving it, you just multiply it. See, you see here the 3 minus K, और यहाँ पर सॉल्व किया तो minus 3K minus 5, so 1 by 2 is equal, so K minus 3 is equal to 3K plus 5। हमने क्या किया, इसको यहाँ से माइनस बाहर निकाला कॉमन, और इस माइनस को न्यूमरेटर में डाल दिया, सो K minus 3 हो गया। फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये यहाँ से डिनोमिनेटर से माइनस कॉमन निकाला और न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया उसको, तो क्या मिला हमारे को, K minus 3 upon 3K plus 5 is equal to 1 by 2। Now cross multiply it, so we will get here 3K plus 5 is equal to 2K minus 6, therefore the K is equal to minus 11, and this will be the required answer of A first part। Now the A second part, P की वैल्यू मालूम हो गया हमारे को 6 minus 11, P का कोऑर्डिनेट पता चल गया, Q का हो गया हमें 34 comma 3, और M इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द PQ, मैं लिखा हुआ है M इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ PQ। सो m का कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है, m का जो मिड पॉइंट है 34 प्लस 6, देखिए 34 प्लस 6 होल डिवाइडेड बाई 2, 11 minus 11 plus 3 divided by 2. So it will become 20 minus 4. This will be the required answer for midpoint. Now come to the B part of it, coordinate of A. A line AB meets the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. P, that is 4 comma minus 1, divides AB in the ratio of 1:2. Find the coordinate of AB. Find the equation of the line through P and perpendicular to AB. अभी देखिए आप कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A निकालने के लिए बोला है, हमें P पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, दैट इज -4 - 1, जो कि डिवाइड करता है इन द रेशियो ऑफ 1:2, मीन्स 1 PA और PB है 2 पार्ट इधर। देखिए 2 इंटू एक्स, 2 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 इंटू 0 अपॉन 2 + 1, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4। 4 इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P। सो यहाँ पर हमने वर्कआउट किया इसको, 2x इज इक्वल टू 12, सो x इज इक्वल टू 6, सो द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A इज 6, 0, 6, 0। नाउ 2 इंटू 0, 2 इंटू 0, यहाँ पर ऑर्डिनेट 0 है, so 2 into 0, 1 into y, 1 into y upon 2 + 1, hence it will be equal to y by 3। इसको सॉल्व किया पूरा 0 हो जाएगा, y by 3 इज इक्वल टू -1। ये -1 दिया हुआ p का ऑर्डिनेट, p का ऑर्डिनेट दैट इज -1, सो हमने y by 3 इज इक्वल टू -1। So y is equal to -3. Coordinate of the point B is 0, 0, -3, 0, -3. And this is the required answer. Now the equation of AB. Equation of AB is y - 0, because हमारे को कोऑर्डिनेट मालूम हो गया A और B का। इसका है 0, -3, इसका है 6, -6, 0। तो देखिए इधर y - 0 इज इक्वल टू -3 - 0, 0 - 6, y2 - y1 upon x2 - x1, in bracket x - x1, that is x - 6, x - 6। हमारे को a का कोऑर्डिनेट मालूम है, दैट इज 6, हमने लिख दिया यहाँ पर x - 6, दैट इज इक्वल टू y इज इक्वल टू 1/2 ऑफ x - 6। नो जो हमारे को इक्वेशन मिला यहाँ पर x - 2y, यहाँ पर सॉल्व कीजिए, x - 2y - 6 इज इक्वल टू 0। द इक्वेशन, दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट द इक्वेशन ऑफ इट्स परपेंडिकुलर, इस इक्वेशन का परपेंडिकुलर जो होगा वो हम क्या करेंगे, कैसे निकालेंगे, इसके जो कोफिशिएंट है x और y का इंटरचेंज करेंगे और किसी एक का साइन चेंज कर देंगे। पहले तो इंटरचेंज करेंगे और किसी एक का साइन भी चेंज कर देंगे। तो चलिए हमने क्या किया, 2 को ले गया x पर, देखिए 2x प्लस होना चाहिए -1, माइनस है ना यहाँ पर, तो हमने क्या किया उसको प्लस कर दिया, तो y हो गया। तो 2x + y + लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 0, एंड दिस line passes through the point P, that is 4 - 1, 4 - 1. Now substitute the value of 4 in place of x and 1 in place of y. You will get 2 into 4 minus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 7. Now substitute this value minus 7 here. So 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 is the required equation of AB. AB perpendicular, AB का जो perpendicular है through P, which is passing through P. AB के ऊपर perpendicular हमने निकाला और वो कहाँ से पास हो रहा है? P से. And this is the required answer.